Hello friends, you are watching Indovision channel and my name is Chandan Kumar Sharma, and again I am watching this video on the topic of networking, that is networking device. So in any network without networking device you cannot create any type of network, right? So network, as we know that network is a collection of computer which is connected to each other. So how they are connecting with each other? So they are just connecting with each other because of networking device. So it is the very most important topic of networking. So please watch this video till the end, so that you can completely understand about the networking devices. Networking devices. Network devices are components used to connect computers or other electronic devices together so that they can share files or resources like printer or fax machine. So networking devices are the component which we use to connect computers or other electronic device together. Right. So there are so many type of networking devices like hub, NIC, switch, or router, bridge, router. So there are so many type of networking device. So here in this video we will just going to learn about some of these networking device. So here you can see that different networking devices like hub, switch, gateway, bridge, router and repeater. So these are the networking device. Through the help of this device we extend or create new network. Right. So let's take a networking device, that is hub. Right. So hub is a common connection point for devices in a network. Hub are commonly used to connect segment of LANs. So basically we use hub to connect multiple computers or multiple segments to each other, right? So hub works on a physical layer, and it take data from the sender and send the data to among those connected device who is connected with the same device. So that is why this communication is called broadcast. So now the hub is getting obsolete because of there is some broadcast, there's drawback of this, there is some drawback of this hub, like hub always do broadcast, means it take data from sender and send the data to all the devices which is connected to the particular hub, through the particular hub. So a hub contains multiple ports. When a packet arrives at one port, it is copied to the another port so that all segment of LAN can see all packet. So this is the drawback of this packet. Because of this, there are so many collisions take place was taking place due to this quality of this hub. So hub always do broadcast. So here you can see we can the system were connect through the hub in this way, right. Okay. So our next topic is our next networking device is switch. So a network switch, also called switching hub, bridging hub, officially MAC bridge, is a computer networking device that connect devices together on a computer network by using packet switching or receive, process and forward data to the destination device. Switch is called switch works on layer 2 of SI model, that is data link layer. So and switch always learn MAC address, right? So what does happen in switch? Unlike hub, in switch the communication take place in unicast form, right? So where when a sender data, so only the receiver can receive the data, and that data will not send to all the port, not send to all the nodes which is connected with the same switch. Okay, so if you send data, if you sending a data from A computer to C computer, so the data will directly go to only C computer, because switch, every computer which is connected through the switch, in switch there is a table, there is a CAM table in switch which maintain the MAC address of all those devices which is connected through the switch. So it learn MAC address, and on basis of MAC address it send data from sender to receiver only, not another third person. You can see here on the screen there is a switch, and there are so many nodes are connected, like server, printer, ADSL modem, PCs are connected through switch. So in this way we can implement a network through switch. Gateway. A network gateway is an inter-networking system capable of joining together two networks that use different base protocols. A network gateway can be implemented completely in software, completely in hardware, or as a combination of both, depending on the type of protocol they support. Network gateways can operate any level of OSI model. So basically, network gateway is gateway can be software or hardware, or can be the capability of both, right? So gateway is just like a entrance and exit point of network, right? So any devices which is connected on the entrance or exit point of any network, so that device is called gateway. Gateway can be either software or hardware, or can be combination of both. Okay. Here you can see, we can understand from this picture that you can see the internet. After that there is a wall, there is look like a wall, that is gateway, and after that is connected to the switch, and after that all the nodes are connected like web server and computers. So this is gateway look like. This is gateway. You can see this is our private network where web server and web workstations are connected, and on the entrance of an internet is another kind of network, right? And here is here we have a private network, and outer side network is internet, right? That is our external network. So in both type of network we have kept a device that is gateway. Okay. There is one more device, that is bridge, BRADZ, bridge. Bridge is also a networking device, is a computer networking device that create a single aggregate network from multiple communication network or network segment. This function is called network bridge. The most important thing is that the main important work of bridge to connect multiple LAN segments. Right. So the basic work of bridge is getting obsolete by the switch. Now the on place of bridge the switches are using. So you can see in the video in the screen in front of you, that is there are two LAN segments, right? So here you can see A to D and a packet from A to D, right? So if you want to send A to G, then there are two LAN segments. So between two LAN segment we have placed the networking device, that is bridge. Okay. Router is a very important inter-networking device. We use router for connecting two different network, right? A router is a networking device that forward data packet between computer networks, right? Router perform the traffic directing functions on the internet. A data packet is typically forwarded from one router to another router through the network that constitute the internetwork until it reaches its destination node. Right. The main thing is that the main work of router is to connecting to different network, and it forward the packet. It forward the packet from source to destination based upon the routing table. Like Unlike switch, router learns the IP address. It works upon the IP address, right? So in router having routing table, and in that table the IPs are there of all the network. All the information of all the network is there in routing table of a router. Basically, router works on the layer 3 of OSI model, that is network layer, and it forward the packets. Hope you enjoy this video, and thank you so much for watching this video.